Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Ananya's World. This video is for those who are planning to pay a short visit to Hyderabad, be it for a family trip or a business trip. So in this video, I'll be mainly focusing on the hotel where I have stayed so that you don't have to worry about a proper accommodation for your next trip to Hyderabad. So here I am at Hotel Ibis. You must be familiar with this name because it is a famous hotel chain that has got its presence in various cities of India, including Hyderabad. And I was staying in room number 303 of Hotel Ibis, Hitec City. So let me take you through a short room tour. Although the room size is not that big, but it is aptly made for a couple or a solo traveler, with all the amenities available that is required for any 3-star hotel. So you can see there is a study table with a table lamp, a big size mirror cum almirah, a TV cabinet with a TV, a chair, a small sofa, coffee or tea ingredients with an electric kettle, an intercom phone with side tables and drawers, reading lamps, and a queen size bed. And we also have a window out here from where you can see the road to the Hitec City. And this is a small but well-equipped washroom. There is an electronic safe inside the wardrobe, and there is also a mini refrigerator, which I'm going to show you next. And this is the morning view of Hitec City, Hyderabad from my hotel window. And here goes the Hyderabad Metro. And this is the reception area. Outdoor dining area, and finally the in-house bar cum restaurant. And this is the breakfast buffet spread. This is the corridor cum lifts lobby of 3rd floor. There is a balcony in the 3rd floor where there is also a facility of ironing your clothes. So that's all about my trip to Hyderabad and the hotel tour of Hotel Ibis, Hitec City, Hyderabad. I stayed in Hotel Ibis at a price of Rs 3,500 per night. If you have any further queries, questions or feedback, please do drop a comment. So that's it for now. Till then, have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.